Yo, what's up, PJ? My boy PJ. What's up, Gostu? What's happening, Gostu? What's up, PJ? I've been good, bro. I've been good. How are you? I've been good, my brother. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Let's see what goal is going to bring us today. Let's see. We'll do some analysis in a second once everybody is in. Give it a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm just going to do some shit over here on the screen to my right. I can still see you guys, still read your comments. Don't stress out. How's trading going, PJ? What's up, crypto man? What's up, Husney? Did you take the signals today, crypto man? Mr. Crypto Man. Going good, bro. Still learning. Keep risk management. Yeah, nice, PJ. That's what I love to hear, bro. That's what I love to hear, my man. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do no, go back. Bow bot. I was gonna do third box. Was busy at work? Oh no. I sent them out early morning. Early morning. Let me see. Oh, not. Let me see. Back. We're gonna figure out what to do with gold in a second. YouTube subscriber here. YouTube subscriber goal. End goal. I want to get to 5,000. And we are currently on... How many YouTube subs are we on? Got on the swing trades, closed all through. I put on in profit. Oh, nice. You only put 3 on? I have a VIP. Yeah, I got a VIP channel, Hosni. What signals did you put on, Crypto Man? 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to set something up. Trying to start the here we go, analytics. We got 4,394. 4,394. End date. There's no end date. Can I just start it? Why do I have to have an end date? Wakar, what's up? What's up, Wakar? Is that your name? Is that how I say your name? Before we proceed, please read the following. Please do not share this. Okay. Get rid of you. Let me get rid of you. Let me leave you there. Now I need to go in here, and I need to add a browser. Is it browser? Browser. Subs. Okay. There it is. There's the sub goal. We need to make it bigger. Now we can get rid of this and put this here, yeah? Does that look too small if I do it like that? All right. I think that's done. We got the sub goal. What's up, Michael? I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Great day today. No trades on gold just yet, but the swing signals that were sent out this morning, going crazy, man. Well, they went crazy, should I say? They went crazy. Feel like that goes there. That can go here. All right. How does that look? What's up, Madge? Yeah, today, is it short now? Right now, I mean, yeah, I would be looking at sales like below this area on gold. Yeah. Right. Sales below. 2410795. That's where I'll be looking for sales below. I may take some sales, you know, up in this range. You can see we got some structure here. If we just, you know, want to mark this out, we can see structure in the market where price tapped into here once, you know, acted as resistance over here first of all. Right, we have resistance over here that was created like Asian session. Price then broke it, retested it once, retested it twice. Right, then broke below it and retested it once. And now it's retesting it again. So this is a level in the market gold is currently playing around. So if we're going to reject this level, you can see we got 1, 2, 3 rejections so far at this level. We've got 11 minutes left of this 15-minute candle. So I'll either, if I can get an entry in here, I'll take sales from here. I need the entry first of all though. I'm not taking sales right now. I need entry criteria. There's no entry criteria for me just yet. Okay, nothing, no entry. Before anyone in the chat starts to just jump straight into a sell from this level, right? There's no entry for me yet. Or sells down below here with the breakout. And if price starts popping above and starts driving up, then guess what? We can look at buys, but what's up, him? I'm awesome. Oh, appreciate it, man. Thank you very much. Good man. When you say swings, do you hold them for a long time, sort of swing, or just short swings? Yeah, they're more like short swings. Like we enter them around early morning to like afternoon, sometimes early London session, and then usually hold them for like, you know, hours throughout the day. Sometimes I'll hold overnight, very, you know, every now and then I'll hold for a couple of days, but most of the time I'm in the morning, getting that move for the day, and then I'm out by the night, and then we go again the next day. What's up, Zach? But yeah, these are this is the swings from today. So 1.2k in profit there, closed at about a k. We got some members making $8 profit here, 80 pounds, sorry, 30 pound. 1% up on prop account, 65 pound. Jordan made $1,000. I don't know if this was demo or if this was a real account. I do not know, but Jordan made 1,000. Yeah, people closing the trades. Beautiful. Yo, Shahram, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Not letting you comment? What do you mean, Crypto Man? Not letting you comment in the TikTok or what? We usually have quite big stops. The stops are relative to the risk to reward. Like, the stops are, yeah, they're relatively big because they are, you know, technically swing trades, but this week so far we had the swings from Tuesday that, again, they went into 1.4k profit for me and then came back down to break even, and I got out of break even. But then price, if I wouldn't have got out of break even, they would have continued and pushed on for like a couple thousand in profit potentially. And then today we had, yeah, these signals, 78 pips profit across a few pairs. S&P 500, there was S&P 500, yeah, S&P 500, GBP USD, GBP CHF, Euro USD, and Euro CHF. Keeps canceling what trades I took. Oh, the chat, the TikTok chat does. Euro USD, Pound US, and S&P. Oh, okay, nice. Took S&P. Oh, that's weird. Was it blocking out? That's weird. 1 hour bottom wick. Yeah, 1 hour has no bottom wick. So yeah, it could reject here and flip. So if the 15-minute, wouldn't you be worried about the hourly bottom wick? I mean, I wouldn't be worried about it, but I would it's definitely something that I would keep in mind. It's definitely something that I would watch out for. And if you're going to be entering trades, you always know you need to manage risk within this hour. Once the hourly closes, I mean, like within the next couple of hours. But once this hourly closes, yeah, you want to be very careful, because price could just come straight back down here and create that tap out of this area, create that bottom wick. Actually, join Discord through the Academy user. You have to be in the Academy to be in the Discord. Blocking out the codes, yeah, yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, it's just something obviously you'd have to be very mindful of. And if it was me, if I was entering a trade, I would be managing risk a lot more aggressively. I'll be managing risk a lot more aggressively. They're not breaking construction. Not breaking construction? What do you mean? Nice drive by. Yeah, so now we just need to wait and see if gold, with this move coming up now, if gold is going to come up and break highs, right? If it starts breaking highs, we're going to see this kind of structure, right? But anywhere in this area, now that we've broke to the downside and we've broke the structure here to the left, you take a quick look to the left hand side, you can see the bullish structure, higher highs, higher lows. Now we've broke to the downside, broken that bullish structure. Now we've got bearish structure. So anywhere within this area now, gold can reject and continue bearish eventually. So we just need to wait and see what happens from here, if we reject or if we do indeed continue bullish. And like I said earlier, depending on the price action at this level, I might take sales in here, but I'll be more comfortable with the sales down below here. Structure, maybe, yeah. Structure. That's what I was thinking. Did you mean structure, rail? Right, still not breaking structure. Yeah, exactly. It hasn't broken the bearish structure just yet. The short-term bearish structure. Ever been in Mastermind? No, what's that? So let's see what happens. We're looking for gold to reject in here, and then we're going to be looking for the sales eventually. But like I said, I'm not sitting on it too much. If price starts breaking up, breaks this structure, then I would happily look at buys right there as well. What's up, Seal? Money, could you grab crate long for sell? Yeah. I mean, maybe. We'll just have to wait and see. We don't know yet until it happens. I order sell from 2518 TP 2295 2518. You mean 2418? Do you mean 2418? Cup of coffee, then come back. Yeah, I got my green tea. No coffee for me at this time. Bit too late for coffee, but I got a green tea. You have a sell from 2518. Oh, so you're in a sell from... Wait. Price hasn't even been to 2518, my brother. 2518 is up here. That would be all-time highs that we have not reached yet on gold. And that is like 1,000 pips away. Nice rejection. Close bullish though. We need a bearish closure. How does this work? Will, basically this is gold XAUUSD. This is a commodity, and it's also, you know, also classed into the same kind of, a lot of people class it in the same kind of group as Forex. So it's, you know, like day trading, scalping, and basically you just speculate if price is going to go up or if price is going to go down based on you know, reading candles. Candles are these red and green objects, sticks, boxes that you see on the chart. Green is price is going up, you know, gold is gaining strength. Red is price is going down, gold is getting weaker, and we just speculate. We're trying to capture you know, if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. Different people trade differently. Some people may speculate on an overall bigger trend and try capture an overall bigger move, and some other people like me, especially on gold, like to scalp it and just get short-term movements in the market day by day. Get in and get out, quick little profit, and you know, that's how it works. Your last, my candle closed bearish. Yeah, so Seal's candle closed bearish and Crypto Man's candle closed bearish, but my 15-minute candle closed bullish. The same old shit again on gold, on Oanda, sorry. Who else, yo, if you're in the chat, if you use Oanda charts, what color, which way did your previous 15-minute candle close? Was it bullish or bearish? Let me know. I need to see something right now. Michael's closed bullish. Seals and Crypto Man's closed bearish. Oh, you use FX, okay. FXCM. Wayne's closed bearish. Isho's closed bearish. Victor's closed bearish. But mine for some reason has closed bullish. Anthony's closed bearish. Sat's closed bearish. So everybody's candle closed bearish who's on Oanda except for me. No, Michael's... No, you're on FX. PJ's closed bullish. Yeah, I'm using Oanda seal. You can see it. Oh, no, you can't see it because of the camera. Bearish. XM is bullish. Toby's bearish. Diana's bearish. PJ, what broker are you with? Let me check FXCM. It also closed bullish. I don't understand. I don't get what's happening. Yours on Oanda closed bearish, Michael? No, but what chart are you looking at, PJ? Yeah, what chart are you looking at? Are you looking at black ball charts? On my broker, let me have a look on my broker. TradingView Oanda, and yours closed bullish as well. On my broker, Black Bull, it closed bullish. Let's have a look on FB Markets. FB Markets also closed bullish as well. FXCM bullish, bullish. Maybe Oanda chart is just glitched. Yeah, Seal, it's been happening. It happened in the last stream as well. On the last stream, my 12-hour candle closed bullish, but everybody else's 12-hour candle closed bearish. It happened in the last stream as well. Yeah, it closed bearish on my Oanda chart, bullish on my FXCM. What? How are you seeing? How are you getting bearish on Oanda, but I'm getting bullish? I don't get it. That's terrible. Now I just don't trust Oanda charts, man. I'm really starting to lose trust in them. All right, what's up, Jordan? All right, let's see. Let's see. Yesterday's first 12-hour candle closed bullish. This one here. This was yesterday's first 12-hour candle. The second 12-hour candle continued bullish, 48 pips and beyond 120 pips. Today's 12-hour candle closed bullish. We've already created a bottom wick here, and we've flipped bullish and we're pushing up. Can we break previous 12-hour highs? The 12 hours bullish. The previous daily is bullish. We've already broke previous daily highs. 4-hour, previous 4-hour was bearish though. Now we're getting rejection of this level. Capital closed bearish. Bullish on Black Bull, yeah. Bullish mine. You're on Oanda. So Tish is on Oanda and also has a bullish 15-minute closure. So it's just... Tish, where are you in the world? Where are you from? They better fix that, bro. It can affect our trades. That's what I'm saying, Seal. Like, that's why it's fucked up, and it's starting to piss me off now. It's been happening quite a bit. This never happened to Oanda in all the 8 years that I've used it. Now, all of a sudden, the last couple months, it's been playing up. So if this candle was actually bearish, as some of you saying it was, I would have potentially took a sell trade here. But on mine, it's saying bullish. Gold is bullish. Right now, it's kind of just consolidating, right? Short term, obviously, we've had the break of structure to the downside, and it's you know, flip bearish. We're rejecting this level and pushing down. But right now, yeah, it's just consolidating in this range here. What's up, HP? Ulster P, bearish. So your Oanda 15-minute candle, previous 15-minute candle was bearish as well, HP. Oh, Tish is in the UK. I was gonna say if she's in Australia, maybe if they're in Australia, maybe it might be like the servers, you know what I mean, like are lagging in the Australian servers or whatever it is. I don't know. But maybe it's because you guys are. Oh no, but she had the same closure as me. She had a bullish closure as well. But yeah, if this previous candle right here, this rejection right here, did actually close bearish for me, like it did for some of you guys, I would have took sales right there. 13 pips profit. I would have been at break even, risk free. Let's go, Tony. Let's go. Did you manage to catch them? Some decent profit. What was they like? What was they like, Tony, when you woke up? Because you would have been a couple hours late. Were they still in profit? I haven't even checked. I do live trades. Yeah, I do live trades. At, you know, most days I send all my trades out in the Signals channel. We trade live. We trade live. You know, almost every day in the Signals channel and in the Discord channel. Oh, nice, Tony. What do I think of news? What news we got? What day is it today? Wednesday. 11:45. Flash manufacturing flash. I'm not too bothered about that, to be honest. I won't be trading then anyway. I'll be fast asleep most probably. But I'm not too worried about that. It's not you know, it is red folder news, but it's not the kind of red folder news that I pay too much attention to. Bought 30 pips short. Unfortunate you're 15 closed bullish. Yeah. Are you so that closed bearish for you, Toby? Did you actually take that? Or from that level? We're so close to 5k subs, man. We're so close. Well, actually, we're not close. We need we need about 605 more YouTube subs to reach 5k. What's up, Tao? What up, men's full show bearish? Nice, Toby. Nice, Toby. Rejected all the way back up here. What was that? What push was that? About 13 pips. Yeah. HP. Let's go, bro. Thank you for the sub. Holster P. Yeah, if I can't catch the sells from this area, then We're going to be looking at the sales below here. For sure, brother. For sure. Yo, Quippy. Thank you very much for the diamond. Diamond. I'm gonna do something on stream today, but I can't remember what. What is TP? There's no trade right now, user. What is gold doing? Absolutely nothing right now. We are awaiting. Caught a quick, caught a sell. Quick price tapped into the order block on the 50-minute time frame. Nice, Samuel. Very nice, Samuel. Samuel. See, that makes sense why price is rejecting here now. Samuel. What's up, Mohammed? What's up, Grace? Good morning, good morning. Which time frame order block, Samuel? Samuel said order block on the 15-minute time frame. Samuel from the YouTube channel. Order block. You see, it's saying a sell signal now. So it has actually identified this as a bearish candle. Because it's giving sell signal, but it's actually bullish for me. Outside of the trading window anyway, but now I think at this point, it depends what this 15-minute does. We got 15 minutes left of the hourly. Let's take a look at the hourly candle. Let's see how this is forming. The hourly candle has a rejection here, and it's currently bullish. It's broke the previous highs, hasn't broke previous lows, so it's bullish structure. We're sitting on a bunch of AOIs, so I think, yeah, I think we just we gotta wait and see. It's quite a strong rejection week as well. That's like 10 pips down into that previous low. You'd have to break those previous lows, continue bearish. Let me have a quick look at the daily. Okay, the daily has made a nice bottom wick. 37 pips. Broke the highs by 71 pips. So really, the previous 12 hour was bullish. Just a spiked out the 4 hour lows, grab liquidity there, driving up. So really, it actually make a short button with that. So really, we should be looking at, we should be looking at the sales below 2410795. I think that would be a lot more safer. If price starts breaking up here, breaking this level, can't stop yawning, man. It would really have to be above the highs here. I think buys would have to be above these highs for sure. Because like I said, if we're looking at the daily, we're looking at the 12-hour. This is the daily time frame. Previous daily candle was bullish. It created a, we got lows down here. We got higher lows, highs, potential new higher lows today, and then higher highs today. And we could be coming up now to like fill some of this range right here that we have, that price drove down last week, left some of these gaps here. So we can drive up, fill some of those. 12 hours bullish. It's just the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour is not aligning. The previous 4-hour candle here was bearish, although it did respect structure and actually created structure in terms of we got the lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now we broke that structure again, but now we flipped bullish. If we measure out that, we're tapping into like the mid range of this 4-hour candle. So yeah, like if you're gonna be looking at price to sell off, I think this level is interesting. But in terms of the daily, in terms of the 12-hour being bullish, I think overall we could continue bullish today. But I'm just looking at where price can come into if it is going to retrace a little bit more. I think, if we're looking at these wicks over here to the left, the previous daily candle wicks right here, we could look at those where price could be coming back down into. That's right there and beyond. Yeah, but anyway, as of right now, there's not really much we can do until we either see price start breaking above here, or we see price start breaking below here. That's pretty much it. Within this, what price is doing right now, there's nothing going on. This is just range. You don't want to trade within this range right here, right? Whenever you see price ranging like this, low volume candles, there is rejection, there is structure, there is bearish structure and rejection in these areas. Price isn't driving. We've had the rejection of this area and price has tried to come down and drive the respect structure. But what has happened is we've just flipped straight back bullish, and now we're back up in this level pushing bullish again. That shows me, there's potential for price to come a little bit higher. But all we can do is wait. Are we in a bullish trend? It just depends what time frame you're looking at, Raz. Honestly, it depends. You're looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 12-hour, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute. It just depends. On the 15-minute, I would say the structure currently that we've just most recently seen is now, I don't know, it's very hard. This is like mini structure within mini structure, like a mini structure within a broader structure. But I think very, very short term, we're in a bearish structure, and then just short term in terms for like the rest of the day session, overall we are bullish. But I think very, very short term, and I mean like until like New York session open, maybe once we get that volume back in the market, I think that as prices come up here, it is creating the bullish structure, the highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then this bullish structure right here. This bullish structure right here, where prices created a support during like London session and then broke it. This is the break of that short-term bullish structure, right? For a much shorter-term potential bearish structure. So we can see we come down, retrace, and then we could see that extension lower down into these areas before you see price then, you know, coming back up for like New York session. But yeah, it's, we just gotta wait to see now. Price is, if price is going to reject this level, it needs to reject and start driving down, because the more that it just floats around this level, the more chance that it's likely it's going to come up here and start testing the upper regions again. You know what I mean? Let me check how those signals would have been doing actually. Euro USD. All right, we would have been back at break even. GBP USD. Euro CHF. Euro CHF would have been crazily in profit. Where's Euro CHF? Right here. My entry on Euro CHF, my sell entry was this was that entry on Euro CHF today in the signals channel. That was Euro CHF. We had an entry on S&P. The entry on S&P was... Entry on S&P in the signal channel was like in here somewhere. That was the entry on S&P. Maharaj, appreciate the follow on TikTok. That was the entry on S&P, and then we had this entry on GBP CHF. This was our entry on GBP CHF. Right in here somewhere. Those were our entries in the signals channel today. Capturing these moves, bruh. Oh, FXCM. Wait, where did... God, gold is all the way down here. What? Okay, it's rejecting. It's rejecting. We got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Hey, yo, this is a horse, man. One of the members in the academies works on a farm, and this is his pig. Look at the size of that. Bro, that's a horse. That ain't a pig. Look at the size of that thing. Yeah, boys, not much we can do right now while gold is, you know, doing this. What a day, though. What a day in the signals channel. Let's see what we can get, though. Let's see what we can get. How did GJ do today? Oh. How did GJ do today? GJ also very slow. Bad. GJ bad. Seems like we got the moves today during Asian session, right? We got the moves during Asian. This is where I entered, you know, a lot of my trades. And then London kind of consolidated a little bit. Same thing with gold, really. Same thing with gold. We had that Asian session move right here, push up. And then the London session, pre-London session consolidation. Price still consolidating. Usually, what I'll be doing right now is not staring at the charts. I would be with my family, having fun, waiting for my alerts to get triggered. And right now, all I would do is I would have an alert right here at the intraday, the V5 indicator intraday breakout level, which is 2410795. 2410795. Guys, I have to say it fast because of TikTok. But that's all I'll be waiting on right now. That's what I'll be waiting on right now. For gold. Because this is slow. This is slow. This is slow as fuck. What's up, Naveen? Fuck, bro, it's been a while. How you been, brother? How you been, my brother? Brother Naveen. Alright, so we have got a 30-minute closure here. We do have a 30-minute closure here below. Which gives us a nice entry to this area. Pips. Which would be a break even entry, the break even level, sorry, right here, this level. How can I get into the signal room? Naveen, the link will be down in the description, but it's part of the academy. So in the academy, you get the signals channel. You get the V5 indicator, right, which is the indicator that you can see on the chart right now, which gives you signals, gives you all the key levels, trading windows, discipline, risk management techniques. You get the V5 course, and you get the private Discord channel. So you get all of that in the academy. But yeah, if you want to join the signals part of the academy, so you'll join all of it. You'll find the link down below, brother. Feel it. Gold signals, nah, the Telegram is for swings. The gold trades are based on the V5 indicator. You have, if you're in the academy, you have access to the V5 indicator to take the exact same trades that I do. You just have to follow along the V5 course. I also talk about all my trades in the Discord, in the Cody's analysis section, all the ones that I take on gold. But yeah, if you're in the academy, you have the same tools that I have on V5, either the signals or the breakouts. So you know exactly when to enter every single time, the exact same way I do. So I don't need to give signals on that. Yo, what is this here? Yo, Mushy. Mushy, appreciate the sub on TikTok, man. Let's go, Mushy. My God, Mushy. Yo, round of applause for Mushy in the TikTok. Let's go. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, Mushy. How are you, man? I always follow the 15-minute electronic. 15-minute first of all, so always follow the 15-minute, and then if nothing, you know, for example, like we had, let's take a look on the 13, 15. For example, earlier, right? I was looking for the breakout trade, the V5 breakout trade here on the 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute candle closed above, didn't give an entry. You want price to break a few pips, so your entry would have been here. The buy stops would have been right here. That's where mine were. Didn't get triggered. So then as price comes down and closes below, now we have a 15-minute fake out. So now you don't want to look at the 15-minute entry anymore. You want to go to the 30 and you want to look at the 30-minute entry. So now you'll be looking at a 30-minute closure above the V5 intraday level, a 30-minute breakout, and then the 30-minute rejects and, you know, whatever, continues bearish. So you want to start with the 15-minute time frame. If you can't get anything on the 15-minute, then you go up to the 30-minute, right? Why don't you follow or trade 5? I don't trade the 5 or the 1 minute. The 15 gives me everything I need. The 15 and the 30-minute time frame are more, there's more confirmation of price action on those time frames. I'm not, you know, I'm not stressing about entering 1-minute candles or 5-minute candles and seeing about 3 pips of profit and taking profit. You know, I like the 15. I like the 30. It gives more confirmation. The price action is a lot cleaner. You don't have to stress too much about like candles opening and closing every 1 minute or every 5 minutes. You can kind of just sit back and relax. Gives you a bit more clarity. Gives you an overall better picture of the current market conditions, current market structure for that day. But yeah, it's just preference. I've never traded the 1 minute time frame. I have traded the 5 minute a few times in the past here and there, but the 15-minute gives you everything you need. News coming? There's no news coming until tonight, 11:45 p.m. That's a couple of hours away yet. Mrs. loves mushy peas. Good, you're good, Mushy. Well, I appreciate the TikTok sub, man. I appreciate that, brother. Could you please show me how channels look? You provide a signal, for example, we go an entry point, exit point. Yeah, exactly, Naveen. So, so today, for example, the signals that I sent out were right here. Screenshotted straight from MT5. So here's your entry level right here, Euro USD. Your buy stop would be, oh no, sorry, sell stop. You see right here, it says sell stop. So you would then set your sell stop at 1.08399. There's the stop loss. There's the take profit. Same on GBP USD. So there's your entry, stop loss, take profit, Euro CHF, entry, stop loss, take profit, blah, 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 blah. That's how they're sent out. Exactly how I see them in trading, in MT5. And that's that. And then there's the trades once I took profit there. So that was today's signals. And you can see some members results here as well. Where did I learn? I learned myself. My entries are perfect. Let's go, Matt Rush. How have you got your V5 setup code in indicator tab? What do you mean? What do you mean? You mean in the actual thing like this? In the menu, it's just like this. Signals, buy and sell. Number of signals, 1. So you just so I see the most recent signal. So there's not loads of signals on the chart, and it doesn't get like, you know, overwhelming. Trading window signals only. You want to make sure this is checked on. Spreads, you want to put that up to 3, 2 or 3, but I use 3. Intraday, show all. And then I just turn the AOIs on as I need, as I'm looking through the chart, and I'll mark them up. Otherwise it gets a bit messy just having so many different levels on the chart all the time. I want to join the Telegram as well. Mushy, you want to join the Telegram? The private Telegram? It's part of the academy, bro. Part of the academy. Let's go, electronic. No worries, man. Who here in the chats trades the 1 minute time frame? Yes, if you do. No, if you don't. Do you trade the 1 minute time frame? Maharaj and Michael do. Moshi sometimes does. The fellas doesn't. Justin doesn't. Samuel, lowest you'll go is 5. Crypto man, no, been burnt too often. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 62 should be 62, right, Naveen? But yeah, 62 for everything. All services, bro. The cheapest in the game. Like, I don't know why I do it so cheap, but you know, it's compared to everybody else, the best signals, the best services in the game for the cheapest. You know what I mean? Like, for the time that I put in and the services and the products that I offer, like, I could be charging like double that, to be honest, if I wanted to, but doing it for the people. Which broker am I using? You'll find the broker I'm using in the link in my profile, but it's Blackball Markets, basically. It's messy, yeah, the fellas. It is. The 1 minute time frame is definitely messy, and the 15-minute time frame is definitely Ronaldo. I used to, until I had no money. What you trade the 1 minute time frame? I remember when I first started trading, like, yeah, you know, like in 7-8 years ago now. What I first did, I signed up to Hugo's Way. I don't know if you guys know about the broker Hugo's Way. It was a big broker back then. I don't really hear much of it these days, but that's exactly what I used to do. I loaded some money into a live account, and I'd go onto the 1 minute time frame, and when I saw price pushing bullish, like a 1 minute candle just pushing bullish, I would buy, right? And I'd be like, shit, I'm buying. And like price would go up like a few pips, and I'm like, shit, and then close the trade. And then if I see a bearish candle, I sell, get a few pips, close the trade. That's what I used to do when I first started trading. All right, we've got 10 minutes left. We've got 10 minutes left here of this 30-minute candle. I want to see a drive down into 2410795. That's what I want to see. Ronaldo fan, of course, bro. I mean, I was thinking about it the other day. You actually can't knock Messi, you know. He probably wins the debate because he's won a World Cup. He's won multiple Copa Americas now, you know. But Ronaldo is just Ronaldo. I don't know. I think I just have a better like kind of connection with Ronaldo because he played in the Premier League. Maybe I watched him play when I was younger when he played for Man United at Villa Park. I don't know. Like I've just always favored Ronaldo. But Messi's accolades, Messi's, you know, what he's achieved, winning a World Cup as well, is just, can't argue with that, you know. They're both great. They're both great. They're both insane players. How you getting on with the Awanda and Black Bull chart situation? I'm not. I'm still figuring out what the hell is happening. Am I looking to buy? No, I'm not looking to buy. What's your thoughts on funded accounts? If you need to use them, you know. Use them. But I personally will not be using a funded account. Which broker am I using? Black Bull Markets. 15 doing here. The 15. The 15. The Villa's new kit, yeah, bro. It looks nice. I went and had a look on their store to buy it, bro. $156 for just the shirt. One shirt. 156 Australian dollars. That's crazy, bro. Almost 200. Almost $200 for a shirt. Will I buy it? Yeah, I will, but still. Yo, Zamri, appreciate the diamonds. Alright, so we've got 6 minutes here. 6 minutes. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a drive here in the last 5 minutes. Usually these candles will start to move in the last, If it hasn't moved much within the 30 minutes or the 15 minutes or the hourly, usually you'll get some volume here within the last 5 or so minutes, whether that means price just flipping bullish or whether we'll get that drive down into this area that I'm looking for. I want to manage risk here. I'll be moving stops to break even. I did enter a position here, only a half risk, 2.5 lot, just because it is outside of the trading window. And haven't taken a trade today on gold. There was no setups for me yet, but whatever. It is what it is. So the closer we get, I want to start seeing gold start to drive bearish here. And I'll be moving stops to break even at this level, 2410795. It is what it is. I already made a grand profit from the swing signals today, the swing trades. Where did I post that? Oh no. Did I post it in here? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's already made 1,000 profit from the swings today, the signals channel. So different accounts though. My swing account and my scalping account are different accounts, so I don't treat them as the same. Last 4 minutes. Can we get the drive? Can we get the drive that we're looking for? Is that my buy zone? No, I'm in sells. This is where I've taken a sell down into this level. I want to see it tap in here. I'll move stops to break even. That will be about 15 pips profit. I'll be at break even, and whatever happens from there happens, if we can get it. If I can get it. About 10 pips in profit right now. I hit 10 pips in profit. Got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes 30. Can we get a drive? Can you drive the last 2 minutes? That's a nice 15-minute candle. Because if we get this next 30-minute closure, we could see a pullback here to create that 30-minute top wick. Although it doesn't really need to come up and create too much of a top wick at this point, because we got the rejections here, strong top wick here, strong top wick here. So this next 30 could open up, maybe create a small top wick and start driving potentially. But we really just, yeah, we want it to start driving here. Can you drive? Last 2 minutes. Can we get that drive that we want to manage risk and move stops to break even? Oh man, I got no water left. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Almighty Gold Masters. 22 pips. 22 pips would be here. All right, there we go. Tap that level. I'm moving stops to break even. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Now it's, can we survive the 30-minute pullback? Can we survive the 30-minute top wick? That is the question. It was a little bit further up. What was my entry? A little bit further up. Buying or selling, I sold. This is where I entered a sell right here, but I am now at break even. Now I'm just seeing if we can survive the 30-minute top wick. For it to continue driving. Or will we get stopped out with the 30-minute top wick? Faithful, what have I told you about those comments, bro? Can we drive? That's a nice 30-minute top wick. I like that. There we go. Stops are at break even. Stops are at break even. Now drive. Oh, mate, my chest just clicked. Now drive, now drive, now drive. If price comes and taps into here, 2410107, I'm gonna be taking some profits right there. 2410. 2410. What's up, Blossom? Alright, boys, let's see. The reason why I've moved stops to break even here is because obviously this is a key level. Look at the rejections to the left. Last time price drove down into this level, we rejected and flipped bullish and drove up. So the exact same thing could happen again. And if that does happen, we don't want to be in that anymore, because look where price drove up to last time, spiked all the way out. We don't want to get stopped out. We don't want to see all this profit and then just have it taken away from us and then end up losing money. That's the last thing we want. Once we see profit and we're sitting in profit nicely like this, the last thing we want is price to just go boom and stop us out and actually lose money, right? This is all a psychological, thing. From my experience in the past, after I've been in profit and price comes back and ends up hitting my stop loss and I've lost money, it has a massive effect mentally, right? Psychologically. So this is all just part of the game that we have to play as retail traders, just protecting our capital, managing our risk, sticking to the plan. Doesn't matter, if you saw profit and then hit your break even and then flips again and continues bearish and actually would have been a winning trade. None of those things matter. All that we can manage and all that we can control is our trading plan and our game plan, and just execute the exact same plan over and over and over again, regardless of emotions, regardless of if it plays out or if it doesn't play out, regardless of whatever the situation is. All we can do every single time is show up and apply our rules, apply our trading plan, and this is how you're going to see results. And that's it. Right now, I'm a few $100s in profit, and a lot of people will probably see that and go, oh, a few $100 profit, I'm going to take that, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's a W for me because I've managed risk. I'm now, in a trade or out of a trade that could potentially hit my stop loss and I could lose money, or it could flip and continue bearish and I can make money, right? But at the end of the day, I've done my job. I've managed risk. I've moved stock to break even. I followed the trading plan, and that is it. And this is also why you need a broker with tight stops, because I've not been stopped out at break even yet. I actually have my stop loss 1 pip above my entry, so I do this for a reason as well, just in case price comes up to the entry, wicks you out and then flips back bearish. So I have my stop loss 1 pip above my entry. So it will be a small loss of $37, but basically break even. Will I take sales below? If you get closures below as well, then yeah, I'll take sales below. All right, pretty sure I would be out now. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out at break even, right there. So I gave it a chance. I gave a chance of price to drive down here because of, like I talked about earlier, that break of structure. Kind of like the mini break of structure, the retest, the rejection, bearish candle closures at these levels, rejecting, breaking lows, creating bearish structure. And if we are going to flip, because look at the 4-hour candle, right? Look at this current 4-hour candle now. The previous 4-hour candle closed bearish. This 4-hour candle then came up and made a top wick and then was trying to flip bearish at that point. So if we flip bearish and started breaking the lows, there's a good chance the 4-hour candle can absolutely just start driving here, right? Just start driving down easily. It can easily happen. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. So that was the idea. The previous 4-hour candle closing bearish, the bearish break of structure, the bearish, kind of short-term momentum right here. And I was just trying to capture a little bit of that move of that 4-hour candle creating a top wick, flipping bearish, breaking its current lows, and then driving. And that's all I was just trying to capture right there. So I gave it a chance. I got in. I gave it a chance. We saw, what do we see right there? I saw about 15 pips profit. 15 pips profit right there, which is decent for scalping, right? But I was going for about 22 to 25, maybe 30, depending on how it was going to push, right? So this is great trade. In my book, that's textbook entry, textbook risk management. Trade didn't play out, hit break even, and we move on. We move on. You closed at 11 pips profit, crypto man. Nice, bro. Let's go, brother. Yeah, I was holding out for a little bit more because because I figured like once we start breaking these intraday levels and start driving, could start driving like I just said, based on the 4-hour candle. If that 4-hour candle just flipped bearish there and broke its own lows, you could really start to see this drive minimum down into like this area right here, which would have been like an extra, like, you know, 20 pips to me, and about 30 pips in total, which would have been nice. It is what it is, you know. It is what it is. Trying to build up my account, nice. But do you think it will go to 2417? 2417? Oh yeah, there's a chance it can go to 2417 for sure. Just look at the daily. Daily is very bullish. We talked about this earlier. The daily is very bullish. The 12-hour time frame very bullish. Once we start breaking these 12-hour highs, we could see gold just fly to the upside. But right now we don't have the lower time frame structure to align with the higher time frame, right? The 12 and daily is bullish, but the 4-hour isn't. 4 hours not bullish. We've had 4-hour bearish closures. We currently have 4-hour highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows. You know, on the 15 and 30 right here, we've had like a short-term bearish break of structure, with price breaking this you know, structure in the market right here, creating a higher low and a higher high, breaking it, retesting it, driving to the downside. So I was going more so off the 4-hour 15-minute. Yeah, 4-hour 15-minute. But overall, daily 12-hour, yeah, very bullish for today. So this is where we're seeing this reaction. And if we turn on the V5 AOI levels, you're gonna see the levels in the market right now. The price is tapping into. See these levels right here. Boom, boom. Rejecting these levels. Rejecting these levels right there. These areas in here, which are daily levels of structure. Right, because look at the daily now. The daily potentially just retested. If I just go to the daily time frame right here and I mark out the previous daily high to the candle close, go back down, I bet you it was that level. Yeah, look at that. It just retested that daily level right there. This is the level that I just marked out from the daily time frame right there. It was just a simple break and retest of that level to potentially continue bullish. Yo, Arnold, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Just so fresh, so clean. Nice, the fellas. Let's go, bro. But yeah, that was my trade for today, guys. That was my attempt at making profit on gold. Got out of break even. And now we can look, you know, potentially look at the continuation buys. But I want to see a 4-hour bullish candle closure. So for me, that will be in about an hour 17. I'll see how this 4-hour closes. If it closes bullish, then I'll look to take the buys within the direction, because then you got daily bullish closure, 12-hour bullish closure, 4-hour bullish closure. Then you just go down to your lower time frames and look for those entries to get in on those buys, because, you know, I could see gold coming up and capturing some of this move down here. But we've also got news at 11:45. You know, if we're looking overall, if we're looking at the weekly on gold, previous weekly was very bearish, right? Very bearish. We've had this huge rejection wick, bearish closure, back into this resistance, back into this key level in the market right here. So at any moment, really, we could see gold also flip bearish as well, right? The weekly has broke previous weekly lows, grabbed liquidity and drove up. But, you know, it is gold. It is only Wednesday. We still have the rest of today, New York session. We have Thursday and Friday, London and New York session for gold to potentially, you know, flip back bearish and start driving down after it's created a top wick. So we just need to wait and see. We need to wait and see. But if I get a 4-hour candle closure in the next hour, yeah, I'll look to take buys going into New York session. So now it's just a waiting game. So I'll try to capture this move. Got out of break even. I'll give it a second chance. You know, I always like to give my traders second chance entries, bullish or bearish. I don't mind going either way. No homo. But yeah, it will flip bearish. This wasn't in my trading plan, but it's always interesting to see other people's other traders' perspective. Let's go, Jim. Yeah, exactly. This is what I say to people. People always come in here and they're like, so I appreciate that comment, Jim, because people always come in here and go, oh, you think he's got to sell? You're wrong. Your analysis is wrong. My order block from the 4-hour time frame, you know, says that it's got to be bullish. So you're wrong. And it's like, dude, you know, people have different perspectives. You know, like every human is different. Not even outside of trading. Imagine if everybody was the same and everybody thought the exact same way in life. How boring would that be, right? The world is such a beautiful place because everybody is different. Everybody has different perspective, opinions, and outlook on life, right? So I have a different strategy. You have a different strategy. Everyone has different perspectives of the market. Doesn't mean that it's wrong. Doesn't mean I'm wrong or you're wrong, or, you know, just means it's different. That's it. So I appreciate that comment, Jim. You know, shows what a open-minded, mature, sensible person you are. I'm watching gbpjpy. Hey, do I speak God to me? Okay, Boris. Yeah, but everyone different skills. If you have the same strategy, no one will make money. Yeah, exactly. Let's go, PJ. And we all don't have the same market experience. Yeah, exactly. Also a massive factor is the experience. So tell what answer? Come on. What do you mean? Tell what answer? Come on. What are you talking about, user? Down. So look at the 2 hours closed bullish. New 2-hour candle has created a bottom wick. Now it's flipped bullish. Start breaking these 2-hour highs here. Could continue. 1 hour looks messy. Yeah, I mean, it still doesn't look appealing right now. Gold. We need to cleanly break out of this range, either to the downside or to the upside. We need some volume. We need some direction. I think by my skill cap hit cup. News in 2 hours should be sell and create a bearish candle. Yeah, I'll see. I'm just waiting on 4-hour closures now. But that's me done, guys. That's me done for today. That's me done for today, all right? I'll be back on Friday. Gotta capture a little trade here with you guys, but, you know, break even, we out. We out break even, which is cool. Just showed you guys live, you know, me just going through the thought process, managing risk, following the trading plan, remaining calm, you know what I mean? Not getting too excited, not getting too emotional, just following the plan, just following the rules, following the plan, like a robot. That's it. All right. But yeah, W day. Good, very good day in the signals channel. Great day in the signals channel today. A bit of a slow one for gold, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think any of the buy signals today, I don't think there was any signals that got triggered, right? This buy signal didn't get triggered. This buy signal didn't get triggered. Yeah, that was it. Very slow day on gold. No breakouts, no signals. All right, PJ, catch up, bro. But the signals channel was great. Signals channel 8. Signals channel actually 8 today, so that's good. All right, I'll see you guys on Friday. Let's go, Maharaj. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you for the subs on YouTube. Thank you for the follows, the likes. Appreciate you guys, man. And I'll be back on Friday. And like I said, wait, you know, the 12-hour, look at, again, I say this every stream, look at the 12-hour time frame. Previous 12-hour candle, bullish. Once we start breaking these 12-hour highs. Previous 4-hour candles bearish, so you want to potentially wait for a 4-hour bullish candle, but it looks like it's pushing up a bit here, so still got an hour to wait for that. But ideally you would wait for a 4-hour bullish closure to align with the daily bullish, previous bullish, 12-hour previous bullish. Now you want to see a 4-hour previous bullish, and then you can look at those buys, taking those buys up potentially. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday. All right. Chip stamp is choose like MPAP coin user. I have no idea what you're saying, brother. Like your last comment was, I think by my skill cap keep cup. Brother, I have no idea what you're trying to say, man. Sorry. I don't know what language that is, but I cannot speak it. See you later, pal. What time do you do live? Usually around about. That just gave me epilepsy. Fuck. Oh god. Usually I'll go live 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time, right? Fuck. That just broke my brain trying to read that. Cup chip stamp. You're in Melbourne? Yeah, so let's go. Melbourne represent. What's up, Trey? God bless you, brother. God bless you. All right. See you later, YouTube.